Have you ever seen a bird so beautiful it looks unreal? One that doesn't just walk, but glides with elegance. Meet the peacock, not only the king of ornamental birds, but also a hidden gem for farmers. In some places, one pair of rare peafowl can bring in up to $10,000. That's not a fairy tale. This bird's stunning feathers and graceful charm are turning into serious profits around the world. Today, we'll take you inside the colorful world of peafowl farming, where beauty meets business, and one bird can change a farmer's life. Stick around, because what you're about to see might make you look at farming in a whole new way. Peacocks, also called peafowl, have always stood out. Their bright colors and fan-like tails attract attention wherever they go. People don't just admire them in parks and reserves. Many farmers raise them for profit. Peafowl farming has now spread across countries like the US, China, India, and Thailand. While India has strict rules protecting the native blue peafowl, farmers in China and the US have turned this bird into a successful business. In the United States, young peacocks often sell between $200 and $500 each. Adults can bring in $2,000. Rare types, such as white or multicolored ones, sell for up to $10,000 per pair. In China, farms in Yunnan and Guangxi export thousands of peafowl every year, making hundreds of millions in income. These birds don't only look good, they pay well too. There are three main types of peafowl people raise. Indian blue peafowl, known for their rich blue feathers. This is the most common and well-known. Spalding peafowl, a mix of Indian and Javanese types. They are bigger and more unique. White or multicolored peafowl. These are rare and come from genetic changes. Collectors and breeders love them. The rarer the bird, the higher its price. Collectors around the world search for unique peafowl, making these birds a valuable product for farms. Peafowl farming starts with choosing strong, healthy birds. Farmers avoid birds with visible problems or weak traits. These birds need space to grow well. A proper enclosure must be at least 2.5 to 3 meters high. This keeps them comfortable and prevents escape. Trees and natural cover help peafowl feel safe. These birds like staying in small groups and prefer high places to rest. They stay alert, and if they sense danger, they make loud calls to warn others. Peafowl enjoy a varied diet filled with grains like corn, rice, and millet, along with vegetables such as cabbage, carrots, and water spinach. But their favorites are insects, worms, crickets, and grasshoppers. Adults eat about 200 to 300 grams daily. During breeding months, farmers add fish meal and pellets to support faster growth and better egg quality. Breeding season begins in March. Males fan out their colorful tails and call loudly to attract mates. One male mates with several females, and each hen lays up to 30 eggs, sometimes even 40. With natural hatching, 60 to 70% survive. In incubators, hatch rates rise to 85%. Peachicks grow fast. By 4 months, males show blue feathers, and by 2 years, they reach full maturity, with males in bright colors and females in brown for camouflage. Peafowl farming does more than add beauty to a farm. It opens the door to smart income streams. Farmers who truly understand the potential go far beyond selling birds. Take the feathers, for example. A single plume can sell anywhere between $5 and $20, depending on its size, color, and shine. These feathers don't sit idle. They end up in luxury crafts, designer costumes, and eye-catching home decor. But that's only part of the picture. Some farmers rent their majestic birds for high-end weddings, photo shoots, and cultural events, earning up to $1,000 per booking. Others turn their farms into ecotourism havens, inviting families, bird watchers, and photographers to witness nature at its finest. In high-traffic tourist areas, these visits can bring in six figures annually, and they don't even have to sell a single bird. The secret? A healthy, spacious, and natural environment that lets the peafowl shine. Peafowl farming is gaining global attention, and for good reason. These birds aren't just beautiful, they're valuable. Their feathers are used in fashion, decor, and luxury branding, while live birds are exported for breeding and private collections. In many cultures, peacocks symbolize pride and wealth, making them popular for weddings and events. But this opportunity comes with strict rules. In India, for example, the Indian blue peafowl is protected and can't be sold legally. Other countries require permits for breeding or export. Violating these laws can cost you big. For beginners, start small. Buy a few healthy birds, track their care, and stay consistent. Use social media early to build your brand. Even one bird, marketed well, can launch a thriving business. Peafowl farming brings together beauty, business, and biodiversity. These birds turn heads, but they also build wealth for smart farmers. With the right care, space, and strategy, one bird can lead to a growing, thriving business. Whether you dream of selling rare breeds or creating a peaceful ecotourism spot, the opportunity stands right in front of you. So what do you think? Are you ready to raise something remarkable?